Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a topic we get a lot, and that's how do I fit my door closer to an outward opening door or an outswing door. A lot of people who purchase door closers are probably used to installing them on interior doors, but on door applications such as storefront aluminum doors, the doors always swing outward away from the building. So the question is, how do I install a door closer on an application like this? And with our door closer brand, we offer the Commando door closer line. We have what are called tri-pack door closer kits. And these kits are designed for anyone from the commercial building industry, commercial building owner, to contractor, to door technician, as an easy kit that can be installed that allows the installer to install the door closer in 3 different configurations. And those configurations are the regular standard arm installation, the top jamb installation, or the parallel arm mount installation. So with an outward door opening, a door that outswings towards outside away from the building, there are a few considerations you must have. One, you don't want to install the door closer on the outside of your building for security reasons, for vandalism reasons, and other factors such as that. So immediately that rules out the regular arm slash standard arm installation, because with a regular arm slash standard arm installation, the closer body is designed to mount to the pull side of the door. The closer body is mounted to the door on the pull side, and the arm is attached to the top of the door frame. So that in that scenario, your door closer would be outside to the elements, and it would not be a good idea just for a security standpoint. You don't want somebody unscrewing your door closer and running off with it. So that leaves you with 2 options. You can install it top jamb installation or parallel arm installation. Both installation types are designed with the closer mounted on the interior side of the door or the push side of the door. So with the top jamb installation, this is very popular on storefront doors. That occurs when the door closer body is mounted to the top of the door frame and the door closer arm mounts to the door on the push side. The only time you may not use this type of installation would be when you're lacking headroom above the door. If the ceiling is very, very low, or there's some sort of maybe there's an exit sign or some sort of obstruction to where you don't have the space to mount on top of the door frame, in that situation, you would have to go with the parallel arm mount door closer installation. And what that is when the door closer body is mounted to the actual door on the push side, and the arm with a parallel arm bracket is mounted to the top of the door frame. Both installation types are extremely popular among storefront doors and are your best bet for if you're in an application where you need to install a door closer on an outswinging door. Now, with that being said, if you for some reason are, talking about a door that swings outward opening, but is still considered an interior door, maybe it's in some large commercial building and it's swinging out, but you're still inside of the building, then that opens you back up to the regular arm installation, because although the closer is installed on the pull side of the door, on the outside of the door, if that door is still within the building walls, it's still an interior door, you'd be just fine with that. It's not like it'd be outside with the different temperature and the elements and open to potential vandals or security threats. So I hope that makes sense, guys. If you're in the market for commercial door closers, we recommend our Commando door closer line. I'll put a link below. Again, they come with everything you need for an insanely low price. We're talking to grade one door closers, fully adjustable springs so they can work on any size door, commercial door, UL listed. So if you have a fire door or non-fire rated door, you have the fire rating just in case. and they're tri-packed, so they can work on all three installations, all three installation types. So again, I'll put the link below, and that's all I have today, guys. Thanks.